Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to clear your ports, because sometimes when you try to run something on a certain port, like you try to run npm run dev and it tries to start your localhost on port 3000, you sometimes end up getting a error that basically stops the application from starting on port, let's say 3000. So what you usually do is just run these two commands to clear up all of the ports that automatically sometimes get used, in which port 3000 is one of them. So the commands are this. So the first command you need to run is this one, net stop winnat. Okay, this stops it, and then you just do net start winnat, and this starts it. And if you try to run something like npm run dev, now it should run because it cleared all of the ports that were somehow being used by some service automatically. But if you want to make something like this permanent, because this error can sometimes arise again in the future, you need to run net stop winnat. Okay, then you need to run this command, net sh int IPv4 add excluded port range. Okay, so there are certain ports that are excluded and always free no matter what application tries to access them. And we're gonna just update that, you could say, list. So the next one is protocol TCP. Then you need to add start port is equal to 3000. So you're telling it what the starting port is, and then the number of ports is equal to 1. Basically tells it that we only want to add one port, which is port 3000. If you added 5, for example, it will be port 3000, 3001, 3002, 3003, 3004. I believe it would be like that, the number of ports that would be then added. And then store is equal to persist is basically just telling it to remember to always make sure this port is excluded. Then you press enter. It is not going to work for me. The reason for that is I've already added this port to be excluded so that it doesn't automatically get used by some other service. And then I'm just going to say net start with net, which will automatically start the service. And then the service started. So I want to make this tutorial for all of those people who kind of just run into a similar problem and just provide a solution. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.